Good afternoon, people. Well, this is Mama Susie at the intro of the Bob Marley birthday bash. Today I'm in the place, representing. I represent Refuge and a Taste because soon and very soon, crowd of people, the restaurant are going to kick off in a Birkenhead. And you hear me? A Belgium I do it everybody. This year 2015 the thing I got shot. Cause we're gonna open the restaurant and I tell you say Jamaica no good again. Cause we're gonna bad up the thing, And I tell you say we're gonna have some juice like juices we say lead in a pencil. Who wanna make boy baby come away. Who wanna make girl baby come away. The okra juice, Irish bash, palim seed. I tell you the thing I got bad. Spirulina with the Medina when I done mix it down and I know say, oh, the thing I got shot. And Mama Susie I represent every time. And me say, art I love to the people them know. You understand me? I go chuck off in a frying pan and now look up in my business. See steamed veg there, see famous sauce, the busky, show them. La. Let me cover it now. Meat of his skin up pan. See jerk chicken there.